Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. I came across a lot of jewellery supplies today that I never knew I had, and these were in the stash. Now they're 12mm glass cabochons. I think these are absolutely fab. They're pink with green, so they will stand out. Now a cabochon is made of glass. You can get them resin and you can make them yourself. I've got lots of videos showing you how. They are clear glass domes, and at the back they have a photo image on the back. So instead of making stud earrings, I thought I would show you how you can just make your own dangly earrings. Now these are stainless steel cabochon settings. They've got a loop. If they have a loop down here, they would be called a connector setting. And I'm going to use these today because, being stainless steel, they're quite hypoallergenic and obviously anti-tarnish. So that's why I'm using those. So these are also 12mm, and these will just sit nicely. Always check before you put them in, just to make sure they will fit. Now I'm going to make a necklace as well, so I'll only be using 3 of these gorgeous cabochons today. So we'll put those 2 to one side. These are some new stainless steel chains that I've got. I do have them in 18-inch, but I've gone ahead and bought them in 16-inch as well, because I want to start using these on my jewellery that's aimed at children as well. Although they are 16 inches, you can extend them to 18 inches. It's got an extended chain. It's got a nice little dangle on the end, just in case. So you will have that hanging. So these are 16 inches. By the time this video goes up, I will have them on the website. If you are new to my channel, I do have a website. I will link everything down below for you, but there you will find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And I do currently have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend. I've made lots of price reductions, so please do go and check it out. And these are also stainless steel. They're 5mm, and I just need one for the necklace today. I don't need them for the earrings. There's the loop that's flat. Here's the earring wire, and when I open those, they will sit nicely. If this earring wire did have a loop the same flat, just like that, I would need some jump rings, but I don't today. These will sit very nicely. So I need some glue. Of course, I've got my trusty pliers for opening and closing the jump ring, and I've just got some super glue. I've not brought my other jewellery glue with me. Let's put those to one side. Well, I think I will have to open this. Oh, no I don't. Take those 2. We need 3, don't we? Do a necklace. Actually, a lady bought 50, 60, 70, a lady bought 80 of these today. Jean, I'm not sure if you are on YouTube, but thank you so much for your order. She is a returning customer of mine. She's bought quite a few settings from me. So before I put the glue in, I'm just going to check that I'm happy with them. Just check those over. They're absolutely fine. At the end of it, because your fingerprints will show, I will give them a wipe over. So let's just add some glue. So dab glue, that one and that one. I must admit, I have stuck my fingers together so many times. So there's one. Oh, did you hear the click? They don't always do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them to one side and let them dry. So I'm gonna let those dry for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back. So very simply, I've got 2 pairs of pliers. Now these pliers are more tapered and they help, these are ideal for opening these jewellery wires. Now when you take an earring wire like this, the majority of the time they will open this side, okay? This side. So just take one like that, put your pliers on the end, and then by holding that, I'm just going to do a little twist. So this is the way the earring is going to sit in the earlobe. So we put the dangle on this way. And then we just close it back up again. Make sure there is no gaps, otherwise your earring will fall off and you won't have a happy customer. And you see, I always go back to make sure it doesn't come off. So there is one. Do exactly the same. In the earlobe like this, so we pop that one on. And then we squeeze it back again. See if it comes off. I'm just checking that it doesn't come off. There we are, so there's two dangly earrings. And then we just do the pendant. So 5mm stainless steel jump ring, twist, thread through the pendant and the chain, thread the chain so it slides, close that one, just do that one up. So as you can see, they're very vibrant. You can, I always say, make your creations stand out from the crowd, and I love pink. I would wear these. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. I've got hundreds of tutorials available, ideal for complete jewellery beginners. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.